Continue working on the scene from the last movie. Notice the green seams known as map seams in the viewport. These may confuse you as you define your own seams. Disable map seams in the Configure rollout, so you only view the peel seams you are manually creating. Create any additional seams you need to separate the sides, front, and back of the car. If there are other edges selected, make sure you deselect them before defining your own edge seams. With that done, work on the sides by selecting the polygons using the Expand feature, and then applying a Y-axis planar projection. Adjust the cluster as needed. Use the wheel wells as reference. Again, fine-tune the results at a vertex level, especially around the glass areas. When working on the right side of the car, be sure you mirror the cluster so that it fits the image. When you're done with the sides, work on the front. The process is pretty much the same, based on an X-axis planar projection. What is slightly different in this case is that there are a few faces in the headlight area that are running parallel to the projection. This is similar to those recessed areas you worked on when you were dealing with the architectural model. Although you could try to relax those areas, it's best to use scale instead, as you did with the architectural model. Select the inner faces and adjust them so that no faces are totally parallel to the projection. You may want to use Shift-Alt as you scale the faces down to constrain them to a center point horizontally or vertically. Fine-tune at the vertex level to make sure the area around the headlights and radiator fits nicely. Fine-tune areas where you need metal plate separations to match one another. Repeat the procedure for the back of the car. Remember to mirror the cluster for proper effect. One way to know if the cluster needs mirroring is to compare polygon selection. Left-right selection should match between the viewport and the UV editor. Scale the inner polygons as you have done earlier. You may want to switch off freeform mode temporarily to make polygon selection easier. Adjust and fine-tune at the vertex level until you get a satisfactory result. When you are done with the body of the car, you are ready to work on the wheels. This is what you will do in the next movie.